let's just say all rumors are rumors until they're confirmed. But the big rumor coming from the PulpMX review show is that this is going to be Adam Cianciarulo's last year racing. And it sucks because he's such a nice guy, super good personality, and obviously the amateur career he had was insane. And coming into the big boy bikes, the 250s, the 450s, whatever, everybody expected him to just come in, dominate, get win after win, championship after championship, and it it hasn't worked out that way. Just injury after injury after injury, and we all know where that is. But in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Do you think that this is his last year? Do you believe this rumor's true? Obviously, there's some added pressure to this because now with Prado coming over, there's the rumor that, Prado being linked to Kawasaki and who's going to lose their seat at Kawasaki if that's true. But it is. Comment down below. Do you believe this is true? Or do you think it's all wrong? Because personally, I really like Adam Cianciarulo. Great personality, super good racer. And it just sucks that, like, even this year, he spent all last year just doing the not roll around, but just get time on the bike, finish the season, not be injured for it, and it looked great. Like, hey, maybe this year you can push a little bit more, be a little more competitive, and then A1 obviously got in the crash with Prado, broke a bone in his finger, in his hand, broke bone in his finger, yeah, a bone in his hand, and then he's missed what the last 6 rounds or something like that. Comes back for Daytona, and it's good. I don't know. It sucks to see because it's just you'd love to see him be competitive, be on race for the podium, race for wins, do what everyone thought he was going to do. But I think at this point it's so many compounding injuries, and let's just say he's not old, but in racing terms he's old. Once you start reaching your late 20s, your mid to late 20s, you're a dinosaur in these kind of sports. And I don't personally see his competitiveness getting any better. Like, I'd love to see it. He comes back tomorrow and or next weekend, not tomorrow. This weekend, this race, whatever. I'd love to see him come back and just be bam, right in the podium, racing for a a win. And he'd be like, "Wow, this is awesome. Seeing Sorello's up front. Where did this been?" But I don't think it's gonna happen. It sucks to see, but if it is his last year, hopefully he can stay healthy for the rest of the time and not, miss more time. But comments below, you guys tell me. Did you like Daytona? Are you happy with who won, being Jet and Vial? Do you believe these rumors of Cianciarulo being, retiring true? Whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.